Two dental plans are available to the Arkansas State employees through Delta Dental of Arkansas, a base plan and a premium plan. Both plans focus on preventative care, including at least one routine dental exam, basic services like fillings at 60% to 80% of the cost, depending on the plan chosen, and major services like crowns at 60% of the cost for either plan. The base plan has an annual benefit of up to $1,000. The premium plan has an annual benefit of up to $2,000. Plus, it even includes benefits for oral surgery, root canals, and periodontics. Both dental plans are available exclusively through H&H Employee Benefit Specialists on a guarantee issue basis during open enrollment and during the new hire eligibility period, which is the first 60 days of employment. There is a 6-month waiting period for major services unless an employee elects this coverage during open enrollment and is moving from a similar dental policy. Those employees will be given credit toward the waiting period for the time their existing policy was owned. For more information, speak with an H&H enrollment specialist while they're on site at your agency. Contact your agency insurance representative for on-site enrollment schedules. Or for online enrollment, visit hnhebs.com or call 1-888-224-5233.